Hello, everyone. Welcome to Brain Meets Bot, the podcast where your brain wrestles with a bot and no one knows who's winning. I'm your host, Hani, with co-host
खुशी
और आज हम एक बहुत एक्साइटिंग टॉपिक डिस्कस करने वाले हैं विच इज़ द फ्यूचर ऑफ एआई इन एजुकेशन.
आजकल स्टूडेंट्स होमवर्क से लेकर रिसर्च तक एआई टूल्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं, लेकिन क्या एआई क्लासरूम्स को कम्प्लीटली चेंज कर देगा?
क्या फ्यूचर में टीचर्स की जगह एआई ले लेगा या एआई सिर्फ लर्निंग को ईजियर और स्मार्टर बनाएगा?
इन्हीं इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चंस पर बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ एक स्पेशल गेस्ट मौजूद हैं. वेलकम टू द शो इब्राहिम.
So, Ibrahim, how are you?
I am doing great. How are
So,
you guys
please
doing?
introduce yourself. We're doing great too.
So I'm Ibrahim Mashmi. I'm a student of computer science, and I ended up at a podcast. I don't know how.
You don't know how. Okay, right. So, how much do you use AI in your daily life?
I would say I use AI about 99% of the time. Assignments se leke, uh, everything like the codes that I work with, each and everything.
Why? Because everyone's doing it?
Because it's easier, to be very honest.
It's easier and it saves time.
It saves time, a lot of time, right? You don't have to go around research on codes, idhar udhar se cheezein, books.
Do you
se.
ever feel guilty after using AI?
I do not, because everyone is doing it, or it's the era of AI.
Right.
अच्छा, आज के स्टूडेंट्स एआई टूल्स को सबसे ज़्यादा किस तरह यूज़ कर रहे हैं?
To go ahead and get their assignments done quicker.
And you think
this?
that's good?
Yeah.
It, like, sure, like 50-50.
Yeah, so do you think it's a good thing?
It's a good thing, yes.
It's a good thing because you do it too.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I'm guilty of it.
Right.
तो जो स्टूडेंट्स एआई यूज़ कर रहे हैं असाइनमेंट्स करने में, सो यू सपोर्ट देम कि करना चाहिए.
Sure, yes, उनको करना चाहिए.
तो
And
वो
they,
सीख नहीं रहे. डोंट यू थिंक ये गलत है?
if everything can be done with AI, why waste resources?
लेकिन हम लर्न नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Learning,
डू यू थिंक हम बहुत ज़्यादा डिपेंडेंट हो गए हैं एआई पे?
हम हो गए dependent, but like you learn quicker with AI as well.
How much do you trust AI that all the information it's giving is true?
Yeah, that is a really good question. So like my trust on AI would be like 95% to 99%, not 100% for sure.
Don't you think कि तुमने जो first AI use करना शुरू किया था until now you're trusting it more because you're becoming more dependable on it?
Yes, and AI is getting better as well, so it is more trustable now.
So when was the
So-
first time you started using AI?
I would say about 3 years ago, jab, like I was doing my board exams for my intermediate.
Right. How much did it help you then?
It helped a lot. Yeah, it shortened everything, summarized everything. It was absolutely fantastic.
And you did not think कि अच्छा मैंने इससे help तो ले लिया अभी but in the future I might not use it because you know कि मैं अपने आप से खुद कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा. But you did not go back to that. You kept using it. Is that it?
Yes, because let me give you an example. Whenever you go to a corporate company, right, they do provide you AI tools nowadays. So, like, if you are getting everything handed over to you, why do all the stuff yourself? If there is something accessible to you,
Yeah, I agree with that.
अच्छा, स्टूडेंट्स को एआई यूज़ करते वक्त किन बाउंड्रीज और एथिक्स का ख्याल रखना चाहिए?
I would say that the AI nowadays, even if you cross the boundaries, it restricts you खुद ही से. So I wouldn't say that कि बंदे को खुद ख्याल रखना चाहिए. AI restricts you खुद ही.
You really
किस
think
तरीके
so?
से?
I do.
I feel
Until
like-
you like are really good in manipulation, it does restrict you.
I feel like some people are not getting restricted here. An example is right over there. Like, no matter how, some people just want to get their work done with AI. Like, सारा का सारा काम.
This is super fast and super easy. Why not?
Come on.
I mean, if you get expert in that, you can definitely get a lot done.
Mhm.
More than you think you can. So, do you think your teacher is being replaced by AI?
I would hope so.
You would hope so?
I would hope so. Yeah, I don't like.
You hope for a future like that. कि
Exactly, I
teacher
do.
replace हो जाए
अब
ऐसे.
like, to be very honest, you want के जो आपका टीचर है, like, वो आपको उस टाइम पे पढ़ा है, उस सिचुएशन में पढ़ा है जब आपका दिल कर रहा है. You don't want to get up every day at 9.
Right. You don't wanna make yourself to that schedule कि तुम अच्छा
Exactly.
इसी
I
के
don't
हिसाब
want to
से.
be bound to a schedule. I want to create my own schedule. So AI would be perfect for that.
Right. So
बट
also,
ऐसा नहीं है कि एआई तो सिर्फ आंसर्स देने में एक्सपर्ट है. एआई हमें स्पॉइल कर रहा है. हाउ वुड एआई टीच अस?
by gathering information on the internet. That's what teachers do as well. They
Acha.
get their information from the books.
one more thing कि जब तुम कुछ AI से तुमने लिखा है, ठीक है, do you even remember कि तुमने क्या लिखा है? No, right?
No.
Because you just copy pasted it.
Exactly, yeah.
So is anything sitting in your brain? It's not, right?
It's not, no.
So-
but like, come on, like, it's
Dekho.
absolutely fine.
I agree. Getting your work done is like a stressful thing.
Mhm.
So you just go for AI. But बाद में when you think of exams, do you think कि जो तुमने काम किया है, assignments किए हैं, they helped you in any way कि तुम exams में जाकर बैठ सको, वो कर सको? You don't think so,
No.
right?
डू यू थिंक एग्जाम से भी हम ChatGPT यूज कर सकते हैं?
I hope so. कैसा हो, क्योंकि ऐसा होना चाहिए. Like, if you are doing a job, right? कोई भी job related to your field, you are in that job and you have access to AI. Why not have access in the exam as well if you are having access in practical life?
सो यू थिंक कि फ्यूचर में जो हमारी जनरेशन आएगी उनके पास एग्जाम से भी एआई होना चाहिए, उनके टीचर्स भी एआई होने चाहिए, एंड वर्ल्ड विल बी फुली डिपेंडेंट ऑन एआई.
Yes, I do think that in the next 75 years,
AI world, not human world.
yeah, humans will be
Replaced.
humans will be replaced. AI will be doing the work that humans were intended to do, and humans will be doing what AI was.
So what are the
Acha.
biggest advantages of AI in education?
Um,
Everything for you.
everything, yeah, like private time schedule. I can get my own schedule, get AI to like let me know what I missed out on, what I want to start on. Also, one more thing, AI ko like you can say कि explain to me like I'm a 10-year-old, and he'll do that, right? It'll do that. The teacher won't. Teacher will be like, तुम्हें समझ नहीं आ रही, इतनी बार बताया है.
अच्छा, you think कि like तुम lecture में आते हो and you're like कि teacher क्या irrelevant चीजें बोल रहा है, just get to the point.
Yeah,
Just
for sure.
tell me what I want. It's because of the less attention span that we have. It's very
Yeah,
short.
It's yeah, that's a fact. Yeah.
Any risk of using AI you think कि risky है? Limit हो जानी चाहिए अब.
No, I don't think so. No.
You don't think so? Don't people misuse it?
Have you seen those TikTok वो जो banana apple? Do you think that should be stopped?
The only drawback to this is the RAM prices going absurd, because
Right.
like people who game and stuff, like make gaming PCs and stuff, like the RAM is getting expensive.
Hmm.
That's the only drawback, I think.
Right. अच्छा, one more thing कि अब तो online classes भी हो रही होती हैं and physical classes. What do you prefer? You prefer online?
I prefer online classes for sure.
And what if के future में schools, universities, ऐसा कुछ ना हो, the learning completely becomes virtual. So what is your thought on that?
My thought would be, अब ऐसा भी नहीं होना चाहिए कि like everything goes to completely virtual world, right? There should be, देखिए, the institutions they don't only provide you knowledge, they provide you discipline as well. So like that
And a
is
social life.
and a social life for sure. Yeah.
अच्छा, हमारे जो फ्यूचर 20 साल बाद अगर हम देखें हमारे क्लासरूम को, तो you don't want humans to teach us, right?
You want
our
robots. You want
robots to
AI.
teach us.
Yeah, like robots, like really good robots that do know how to explain
So
everything.
you know they won't have any emotions, but हमारे जो इंसानी teachers होते हैं, they have emotions. So do you have anything to say about that?
Acha, I recently used Gemini Pro, right? And when you talk to it, it has emotions. Like you can actually feel it. It you can like feel it.
Or maybe you've just become too used to it that you don't really see it as a robot
तो
anymore.
Gemini Pro जो अभी इस week आया है,
Yeah, Gemini Pro has emotions. I'm telling you, like this is a thing.
I don't think you're not delusional.
so do you take therapy from AI?
Like I don't. I just ask questions, like really dumb questions, and it gives me
Questions
answers.
like what kind of questions?
How do I have one single code that I can use in every single topic?
And have you
Of my-
ever like just talked to AI, just bored हो रहे हैं, and you're like, okay, let's just have a chat with AI. Have you ever done that?
No, that's totally dumb.
Isn't that too much? Because there's people out there that avoid talking to real people because either they're scared, they have social anxiety, and they're just talking to ChatGPT. Their friend is ChatGPT. What do you think about that?
I feel like that is a really bad disease that people have right now. You do not need to be scared of other people. They are exactly same as you.
Acha, me and Kushi, we got to know something recently from a friend, and she is the one that educated us about this. कि AI जो है हमारा पानी खत्म कर रहा है.
हाँ.
AI is using fresh water.
It is, yeah.
So in the future अगर सब virtual AI हो जाएगा तो aren't you scared that the water is gonna disappear?
Well, हो सकता है. I would say कि I don't know. I seriously don't
You know,
know.
you're not scared for the future.
I am not scared because I won't be living for like the next 120 years.
Maybe not the 120 years because it's using millions of gallons per day.
It is, but like the companies, the corporations that use AI, right? Like the OpenAI data centers, Meta AI data centers, right? They have their own filtration plant and stuff as well. So like they can get new mineral water and stuff and use that.
They cannot use the salty water.
Yeah, I know. They need to filter it out.
Would you trust AI to teach your own children's future?
Sure, yeah, I would.
So you want your children to be spoiled? चलो AI कर लेते हैं. They won't be productive. They won't be creative.
Like at a certain extent.
What about would you let them go to a physical school or a virtual one?
Like till the age of 13, I would say. Or like let's do 14.
That is
14
still a lot.
14 sounds really good. So like I'll let them go.
What
Go
about
physical
social skills? They will have no social skills if they don't interact with people.
Well, most of the people nowadays
Don't
have social-
interact.
yeah.
That's true. I agree with that. तो have you ever felt कि तुमने AI से सब कुछ कराया है, AI से help लेते हो, तुम्हें humans से help लेने में, उनको trust करने में you feel hesitant?
I do not feel hesitant, but I know for a fact that अगर मैं किसी human के पास जाता हूँ, explain this to me, क्या पता they can't explain to me सही से like how I want it to be explained, या फिर they don't have the time for it. Like if I go to AI, he is like a slave to me right now. He will explain to me how I want it to.
Are you sure you're not a slave to it?
Well,
But how do you know that AI is right?
it is.
See, you're the one going to AI begging, tell me this.
But
You're the slave.
It is like a 50-50 trade-off.
50-50 trade-off.
I am using it, so like it is getting used.
Do you think it's suppressing your skills?
It is not. No, I
It's
wouldn't
not.
say that. No.
It's not suppressing your skills.
Yeah, you're not being creative because of वो आ गया.
You don't have to be creative in a like in my field.
What about critical thinking? जैसे if you have to make a project and पहले तो तुम जब AI नहीं होता था you used to think अच्छा मैं ये बना लेता हूँ. It used to come from your own mind what you want to do. But now you just go to ChatGPT. Tell me what to make.
No. So like it should be okay, you have the idea, right? You have the infrastructure, the blueprint, and you go to AI. You're like I have this, and I want you to make
A reference.
a reference. Like help me
I
go
agree
ahead
with
with
that.
this.
But there's people that are just like they go to ChatGPT. They say कि give me an idea for this. So that's completely wrong.
That's completely unethical, yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Do you think students are becoming smarter with AI or dependent? Most of the students.
I would say that the students that are right now are like the same as 20 years ago. Or like I would say slightly smarter. But like AI does not
But are they dependent on AI? What do you think around yourself?
they are, yeah.
Acha, around myself, my classmates and my friends are like AI नहीं use करो यार ये पानी खत्म हो रहा है.
Maybe because we're in a very creative field. हमें करना ही creative
yes,
काम है.
right.
So if we're going for AI, isn't everything gonna look the same? If
Like, my
everyone's
friends
using
don't
AI,
even
it's gonna
have
look the same.
downloaded AI. मेरे दोस्त कहते हैं नहीं मैं नहीं डाउनलोड करूँगी. हम नहीं डाउनलोड.
They are like a student from like a student who does graphic designing or like creates logos or stuff, right? In the next 4 to 5 years, 100% this field would be absurd, completely gone.
Yeah.
AI will
I
make
think it's
everything.
already gone because
It's slightly gone, right? Like people are still making money of like designing stuff and things
maybe
like that.
because they want to be unique. They want everything like hand drawn या फिर signature stuff. Okay, like let's say कि like हर बंदे का signature style होता है. They have their own way of doing something. But अगर आप AI से करवा रहे हो, how will people know that you did it? They won't.
Yeah, they won't.
They won't be able to tell.
Yeah,
Maybe we can write a prompt, just do it a humanized.
a humanized way.
But
Don't add any
still, like
dashes.
आप जितना भी उसको humanize में बोलते हो, you can clearly tell it's AI.
Like in the next 3 to 4 years, you won't be able
So
to
you
do that.
think कि इंसान अच्छा काम
Because
कर सकता
everything
है,
will be
अच्छा
AI.
काम कर सकता है.
Because AI is learning from us, right?
Yeah, I agree on this, but she doesn't agree on this.
AI isn't learning from us. We created AI, so there's a limit to it. लाइक उसकी जितना वो उसकी कैपेबिलिटी है, बिकॉज आप ह्यूमन ब्रेन को तो एक्सीड नहीं कर सकते कभी भी, बट ह्यूमंस जो है अपने आप को इतना यूज टू कर लेंगे AI में इन द फ्यूचर, इज व्हाट आई हैव सीन एंड पीपल टॉक अबाउट, कि उनकी थिंकिंग कैपेबिलिटी AI जितनी ही हो जाएगी, दैट्स वेयर दे विल बी लिमिटेड.
I don't think so. I
You don't
think
think
that AI will be smarter than us in the near future, 100%.
How? People created AI, so
Yeah,
how
we
can it
did-
become
we-
smarter?
A single person cannot consume every single bit of knowledge in the world,
That's true.
right? Because our brain has a certain
Yeah.
capacity. But in AI, you can add like, oh, SSD डालो एक और SSD डालो 2 terabyte, 3 terabyte, 500 terabytes. You can exceed the capacity that it has, and you can add more and more knowledge regarding
But it
anything.
has the capacity. Your brain doesn't.
Our brain does has a capacity, like a certain capacity. It cannot exceed that. So that is why I think AI will be smarter.
What one thing AI can never replace in human?
Hmm.
कुछ ऐसी चीज तो होगी इंसानों में जो AI नहीं कर सकता.
Like a physical, genuine connection.
The emotional connection.
The emotional connection.
Or
yeah.
any kind of
Or-
physical work. Have you
Yeah.
seen AI build a bridge? It can't.
It can in future.
It can
Not
be,
right
for
now.
sure.
Not right now. It's not a possibility.
Yeah, because you can see the AI AC. अभी recently 2 दिन पहले मैं AC लेने गई थी. तो
What is that?
There is AI AC.
I'm hearing this for the first time.
The name was
Oh.
Titan, and वो AI से चलता है. It was so cool.
Like I saw a thing where it was a machine and it was making a house. It was all artificially programmed, and you just had a design onto it, and it was making
Just a
the
model,
house.
right? Not like a real house.
Like an actual house.
Like an actual
Yeah,
house.
like an actual house.
Right. This
Like
is a bit scary.
if it can do that,
It's
it can make a
interesting, I
bridge.
think.
You think it's interesting?
Yeah.
Then
I
probably
think
labor work
हमारी
will be
labor
gone.
work will be gone. Employees. Employment खत्म हो
Well,
जाएगी.
that is something really good for big corporations, right?
Honestly, that is the future that I thought we would have in 2026 when I was a little
Yeah, the
kid.
flying cars.
Yeah, the flying
That
cars,
was
अब
scary.
पता नहीं क्या क्या होगा, सब कुछ उड़ा होगा. That never happened. I think that's very far from now. But the possibilities are getting higher because of AI.
AI
sure.
को लिमिटेशन डाल देनी चाहिए कि नहीं स्टूडेंट्स के लिए नहीं है सिर्फ इंडस्ट्री के लिए.
Isn't that unfair? Like the corporations already know a lot, right? They have a lot of workforce and stuff. If they keep abusing the power, the students won't be ever be able to reach that potential.
What about normal people that are just using it for fun and making stupid things, like brain rot videos?
Yeah, like it should be restricted to only a certain community, right? Like students, the people who work. Like if you are unemployed, doing nothing, sitting at home, eating snacks, you should be banned from
But
it.
पूरी दुनिया brain rot देख रही है, and somehow some people actually like it.
Mhm.
What do you think about that? Isn't that weird? कि
That-
आपको brain को उसने ऐसे कर दिया है कि अच्छा you're supposed to like this
Yeah,
because it's
like-
trending, because it's everywhere,
Mhm.
and
That,
it makes no sense.
yeah, it's totally stupid. Yeah, for sure. I would say that yeah, people should be restricted from that. Like social media platforms should actually restrict content like that.
Yeah.
अच्छा AI रिड्यूस कर रही है हमारा प्रेशर्स स्ट्रेस जो स्टूडेंट्स के होता है असाइनमेंट के लिए. और डू यू थिंक टीचर्स भी यूज करते हैं AI टू मेक आवर क्वेश्चन पेपर?
For sure, 100%.
हमने तो एक्सपीरियंस कर लिया है.
एग्जाम्स यू थिंक कि अच्छा वो AI से ही
हाँ, I'm
question-
like यार ये इतना सोच इतना तो इसने मुझे like he didn't even teach me इतना. How can he design a question like that? I'm sorry.
Hmm. What do you think के future में जो classrooms हैं हमारी आजकल के हम जैसे पढ़ रहे हैं, what do you think, how much difference would there be in the next, like in the near future, that you think is very, very technology based?
I would say the classrooms would stay the same, like the traditional ones that we have, because they have been like this for the past like 400, 500 years. So I think you cannot change a classroom. It has the same decorum, the same pace, the same lighting, everything.
But you want the teacher change with
I
the
want the
robot.
teacher for sure, 100%. Yeah.
अच्छा इन फ्यूचर डू यू वांट के एक ऐसा कोर्स आए जिसके अंदर आपको AI यूज करना सिखाएं, AI की प्रॉम्प्टिंग करना सिखाएं ताकि इट विल बी इजियर फॉर यू.
We already do have a course like that.
डू यू?
I do have a course. It's called AI prompt engineering. So I do have that.
That's why you really want AI to go
Yeah.
for. I see. But like, what do you think? It completely has a positive impact or like a negative impact as well?
Mostly positive. I would say there are a lot of negative impacts, but like mostly positive. Like there can't be something कि उसके positive impact or negative now. It's always like a 50-50 trade-off. But like in AI, I would say 70-30.
अच्छा, would you watch an AI movie? अगर movies भी AI से बनने लग जाए.
As of right now, like according to the limitations, no. I want something real. अगर animated भी है तो like AI cannot make really really good animations, right? Like
What if it
animations-
can in the future? What if it
For
can?
sure, 100%, yeah.
You would watch it.
Yeah.
But it would have no originality. You won't be able to tell कि अच्छा जैसे अभी कोई मूवी बनाते हैं कोई डायरेक्टर या कोई भी राइटर, you just know by their work कि ये इस बंदे का काम है, ठीक है. अब AI, what if all AI movies are literally just AI and you can tell कि ये AI है, इसमें कोई किसी बंदे का सिग्नेचर कुछ काम नहीं दिख रहा, कुछ नहीं. How would you feel about that?
I would say कि if you watch movies just for the sake of entertainment, I think तब तो it's okay. But like if you want कि yeah, that's my favorite actor, I want him on the screen, that is a completely different story. Then it'll get to you.
I see. What do you think? How do you watch movies? Just for entertainment, or you actually watch what people are trying to work on?
I do not care what people are trying to work on. I
do not
like,
care?
I do not. I
If
watch
there's
it.
a message or if they like a certain way of working, जो present करना चाह रहे हैं, you don't care?
Only in certain cases, like mostly like 90% of the time, I watch it just for the sake of the plot, for the entertainment.
Okay, so now let's just move forward to the rapid fire round. आपको quickly हम आपसे questions पूछेंगे, आपको quickly जवाब देना पड़ेगा उसका.
Sure.
Okay. सबसे पहला तो आपने जवाब दे दिया, लेकिन आपसे फिर पूछ लेते हैं. AI teacher या human teacher?
AI teacher for sure.
Online classes या AI classroom?
Like a hybrid system.
A hybrid system. Chat GPT for homework, is it a yes or no?
Yes, for sure.
Books or AI assistant?
AI assistant.
You want smarter students around you or smarter tools?
Smarter tools. I don't want anyone else succeeding.
AI in exams is fair or unfair?
Fair. I would say, yeah.
Personalized learning या फिर traditional learning method?
Personalized learning, for sure.
Memorization or critical thinking?
Critical thinking.
अच्छा, what is one subject that AI can teach best?
Any subject.
Any subject.
Any subject.
AI tutor or private tutor?
Private tutor.
Do you want a faster learning or deeper in-depth learning?
Faster learning.
Should schools ban AI tools?
No.
Is AI helping creativity, yes or no?
Yes.
One word for future of AI in education.
Scary, but like fun.
You fully support AI, बस आगे जाके future में AI ही होगा और AI.
मुझे लगता है आप भी AI पे ही काम कर रहे होगे
Yeah,
future
like
में.
because my field is computer science, right? I want to make AI.
So I think so computer science में तो coding वगैरह होती है. So AI कैसे use होता है इसमें?
You design AI by coding.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh my god. I thought it's like C++ वाली language or
No, C++
Python वगैरह.
is just for the websites.
Oh okay. So we can make websites from AI as well.
Yeah, I have made like
तो आपकी तो
You-
job गई.
like who's gonna design the AI?
They are designing the
Yeah.
AI.
Okay,
Right,
you're
yeah.
I can see you working in the future in AI. Like आप AI पे ही काम करोगे
Yeah,
just
for
because
sure.
you love
I-
AI so much.
Yeah, I hope that I am an AI infrastructure engineer in the
I
future.
mean, because you think that is the future and you see it that way.
I
So-
for a fact know that is the future.
so you're happy with your degree.
I am, yeah.
Okay, आपने बहुत अच्छा खेला है इब्राहिम और बहुत क्विक जवाब दिया आपने
Yeah, and
और बहुत अच्छे जवाब दिए.
the conversation was really interesting. So we had a really great time with
Thank you guys. It was a pleasure.
So thank you for being here, and yeah, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, yo.
So everyone, thank you for listening and tune in for another episode. We are Brainwees Bot, and we'll see you next time once again. Saihani signing off with
खुशी.
Allah Hafiz.